Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the center part of your washing machine. Before beginning any maintenance, always prioritize safety. First, unplug the appliance completely from its electrical outlet. Next, turn off both the hot and cold water supply valves located behind the machine. This prevents any accidental water leaks or flooding during your work. Finally, ensure the area around your washing machine is clear, providing ample space for you to work safely and comfortably. Now, let's access the agitator, typically found in top-loading machines. Begin by removing the fabric softener dispenser. It usually just pulls straight up. Beneath it, you'll find a cap or a single bolt securing the agitator. Use a socket wrench or a screwdriver, depending on the fastener type, to loosen and remove this bolt. Once the bolt is out, firmly grasp the agitator and pull it straight up and out of the wash tub. With the agitator removed from a top loader, the wash drum is now largely accessible for cleaning or inspection. For front-loading machines, simply opening the main door provides direct access to the drum. However, if you need to reach components beneath or around the drum, some models might require removing the top panel or even the entire front panel. Always refer to your washing machine's specific user manual for precise instructions on deeper access. To reassemble your washing machine, carefully reverse the steps you took. Place the agitator back onto its shaft, ensuring it seats properly, then reinsert and tighten its securing bolt. Replace any panels or dispensers you removed. Once everything is securely in place, reconnect the power cord and turn the water supply valves back on. Finally, run a short, empty wash cycle to confirm proper operation and check for any potential leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.